Should these lights be any better for this home? I don't think so. They're absolutely perfect. So I have to ask you, are you looking for a way to update and improve your lighting outside? Well, look no further. My name is Grace and this is Caleb. We're going to be installing the Lepro E1 LED permanent outdoor lights today on this house, and come along with us as we install them. The very first thing you're going to want to do is plug it in, make sure that the lights are working, and then install the app to make sure that the app and the lights are working together properly. Next thing you're going to want to do is clean and dry the house eave surface to ensure optimal installation. Install the string lights 5 to 12 centimeters away from the wall surface. We chose to chalk line the house eave just so that we knew exactly where we could place the lights and so that it would be easier to follow along. You can use the adhesive tape on the back of the lights, and for a more secure installation, especially on the rough surfaces or the cracks in the eave, it's recommended to use screws and screw the lights in. You're going to repeat these steps until you're completely done. When it comes to adding a string, you want to attach the female end to the male end and screw it in together. You can have a max total of 6 strings of lights, totaling 90 individual lights. It is about 150 foot max. These outdoor permanent lights are fairly easy to install. If the temperature is low, you can heat the surface with a hairdryer. You can also connect this with Alexa and Google Assistant and make them an essential part of your smart home ecosystem. Let's talk more about the built-in AI. It's really like having your personal AI lighting designer. All you have to do is open up the app, push the little speaker button, and tell AI what you're wanting to do. Whether that's create a fun spring season, a fun light show, whether you have a movie night and want to create a movie setting, if you are going to have a football game and the Kansas City Chiefs are playing, you can set up that personalized light show for the game. I don't have to climb up on my roof every year anymore because I have these lights. I have Christmas lights. Immediately, the moment I say, I want Christmas lights will show up. I love that. I love that I don't have to spend hours in the cold putting up Christmas lights because I already have these permanent lights on my house. And then once Christmas is over, I don't have to take them down, and you definitely do not have to worry about the weather. These lights come with an impressive IP67 waterproof rating, so they're designed to withstand the elements year-round, shining bright no matter the conditions. Whether that be rain, sunshine, snow, wind, or extremely low temperatures, these are built to last. And with a remarkable 50,000 hour lifespan, yes, I did say 50,000, a 50,000 hour lifespan, and a strong warranty, you can trust that these lights are going to be a fantastic investment for your home. These lights seamlessly integrate into your daily life, adding a touch of magic to your routine. I really do highly recommend these Lepro LED lights.